Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. In this lesson, I'm going to tell you that how to solve this long division. I'm going to tell you a super easy way that how to solve long division. You just have to remind a sentence. Does McDonald's serve cheeseburger? Or does McDonald's serves burger? You know, step number 1, does. D for divide. Our first step in long division is to divide. For example, if 247 is dividend and 6 is divisor, then how do we solve it? 247 is divided by 6. Now how many? We will go step by step. We will go digit by digit. First of all, we will solve first digit, then second, and then third digit. Now I'm going to the first digit. The number is 2. So how many 6 in 2? There are no 6 in 2. So we will take 2 digits, right? How many 6 in 24? We know there are 4 6 in 24. So 24 divided by 6 is answer is 4. Our first step is divide. So I will write 4 over there. Got it? Now step 2. Does McDonald's serves burger? McDonald's multiply, right? After dividing, you have to multiply. Here you have written 4, so 6 4s are 24. You will just multiply and answer it here, digit by digit, right? Now, step number 3, serves. Does McDonald's serves? Serves, S for serves, and subtract. What will you do? You will subtract from the question 247. You will subtract the answer of multiplication, that is 24. You will subtract this 24 from this 24 and you will get 0. Now step number 4, burger. Does McDonald's serves burger? So for burger, B for burger and B for bring down. So you will bring down the next digit. Here it is 7. So let's see here over there. 247. So you will bring down 7 over there. Here you know that 24 minus 24 is 0. So we will bring down the next digit, that is 7. And then we have to repeat it. Now, how many 6 in 7? Right? This is the division. There are 1, 6 and 7. So I will write 1 over there like this. I will write 1 over there. There are 1, 6 and 7. Sorry. Here's 0. So 7 minus 6 will be 1. So 7 minus 6 will be 1. Now I write 41 is the quotient and the remainder is 1. And now I'm going to revise one thing more, that this is dividend and this is divisor. The answer is quotient and this is remainder. Now I have a question. 528 is divided by 2. You have seen that both of these numbers are same, 528. The dividends are same but the divisors are different, right? So how to solve this? For example, as I have told you that we will go step by step, we will go digit by digit. If I am taking this digit 5, that how many 2 fits in 5? Can I say this? Or how many 2's goes for 5? So there are two 2's that fit in 5. So 2 2's, what we have done? Divide. Then we multiply. 2 2's are 4. Then we subtract it. 5 minus 4 will be 1. Now 1 is the remainder. And then we bring down the other digit, right? The next digit is 12. Is 2. Now it become 12. Then how many 2's fits into 12? So 6 2's. 2 6 are 12. So I will write 6 over there and I will write 12 over there. So 12 minus 12 will be 0. What will it be? 0. Then I will bring down the next digit. So it is 8. How many 2's fits into 8? So 2 4's are 8. So there are 4 2's fits into 8. So I will write 4 over there and I will write 8 over there. There is no remainder. The answer is there is 0 over there and the answer is 264. 264 is our answer. Let's see the other one. If the dividend is 528, the same one, but the divisor is 8, then how will we divide? Now, you have seen that we have taken 3 steps over there. As there are 3 digits, we have taken 3 steps over there. Okay, now there are also 3 digits. Now, how many 8? We will go digit by digit. First, we will take the first digit. How many 8 fits into 5? Oh, no 8 can fit into 5. Why? Because 5 is smaller than 8. So what will I do? I will take two numbers, right? If the first digit is smaller than if the first digit is smaller than divisor, then we will take 2 digits, right? So this is 52. Now, how many 8 fits in 52? If you remember the table, then you know that there are 6 8s that fits into 52 because 8 6 are 48, right? So I will write 6 over there and 48 over there, and I will subtract it simply. After subtraction, I will get 4 as remainder. After that, I will bring down the next digit. The next digit is 8. So I will write 48, right? Now, how many 8s fits into 48? There are 6 8s that fits into 48. So I will write 6 over there and 48 here. And then I will do subtraction. And the answer is, and the remainder is 0. There is no remainder. If there is another number, then I will bring down that number. But as you know that there is no other number, so I will stop it over there. Okay, so now your answer is 66 and here your answer is 264. I hope you get it. Stay safe and stay at home. Allah Hafiz.